Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the Super Mario CULTUREFLY bots. So yeah, pretty cool little lunch bag here. You can open it up. Now you can't really hold that much in here, so you got a choice of a sandwich or a pop or maybe a bag of chips. You gotta pick one of the three. Maybe you can get two in there, possibly three, but a lot of stuff is going to be smushed and crushed and stuff. I mean, look, just putting just this little fitter in here, and yeah, look how much room you have in here. If I put it this way, it would be better on camera. Yeah. So say you have a big old sandwich, yeah, that's not really going to fit in there. Can't pop? No way. The sandwich is going to be folded and crushed. Bag of chips is going to be crushed. If you've got like anything else like ho-hos, ding-dongs, Twinkies. Yeah. And it is a zip-up one, so let me take that out. We'll find the zippers here. Yep. Two double zippers and a little carrying handle. I really wish that they would have had like the little strap on here where you could combine these kind of into one handle. But yeah, not found the back, unfortunately. Just the design on the front. And yes, it does stand up kind of by itself. It kind of leans to the side a little bit. Instead of standing up completely, it kind of somewhat side leans. But nonetheless, it's pretty cool. What else in the box? Just a little pat to silica, you know. Do not eat that type of gel. But I mean, for what you get in the box, for about 30 bucks, not a bad thing. I mean, these things go for like between 12 and maybe 24 online. This, I can't remember what website I've seen this on, but it was about 12 bucks just for this. You know, in the mall, these are going to go for about between 5 to 7 bucks. And a free pack, oh yeah, definitely more towards the 7 buck price range. And this, I know it's not a Funko Pop fitter, but between other vinyl fitters and Funko Pop fitters, fitter anywhere between like 12 bucks to, I want to say maybe 15. And with this one being a MARiO, I know it's not a Funko Pop fitter, but feel about maybe 24 to 27 hours for this on average, because you know it's a MARiO exclusive collector fitter. The coin, you know people are going to be selling this on like eBay for like maybe 32 bucks to, oh my god, what is their astronomical number that they're going to be selling this coin for? Like maybe 56 bucks just for a coin. And it had retail rail price, I would say about 12 bucks. On, you know, eBay, people are going to want like 24 to maybe like 37 bucks for the hat. Which is just a ridiculous price. So, yep, that's what you get for 30 bucks. A little mushroom lunch bag. Well, insulated lunch bag. Oops. Haha, I knew I forgot something. Good thing I had a little instruction paper over here to check it out. Yeah, I'm going to do a lousy job of folding this, but oh well. So yeah, insulated lunch bag, the mini note cube, the knit beanie, which is more like a skull cap than a beanie. Okay, collectible coin, the free iron-on patches, and the free scarf. So yeah. From 30 bucks, it's worth, in my opinion, Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. I mean, the hat you could somewhat use, depending on your head size. Lunch bag, maybe. Scarf, it doesn't hurt to have a scarf. Although, I would have another scarf that's a little bit better quality, fitter for the winter time. Arm patches, yeah. So yeah, $30, Walmart. Definitely worth it for a big Nintendo Super Mario fan. Definitely worth it. If you're looking for a gift to give a Super Mario fan, Nintendo Super Mario fan for like a birthday, Christmas, any type of gifts like that. Maybe even for Easter, although for Easter, what they're going to do with the hat and the scarf, I don't know, but yeah, definitely, it's worth it. So yeah, link down below to CULTUREFLY.com. You can also get this, I picked it up in-store at Walmart, but I'll drop the links down to Amazon and eBay, which also carry this. So yeah, remember to rate, subscribe, and like, comment. Alright, thanks, bye.